This is an 8K Spy alert video on Kona Gold beverage, symbol KGKG. Now, on uh, on the morning of 118, we got a 8K Spy alert here, and it came out before market 5:43 Pacific and 8:42 New York time. And this alert, it said material definitive agreement. Okay, so let's look at this. Here's a link to the SEC filing, and so here it is right here. It'll come up. There it is. Alright, so you got this HK, and let's click on what it says. Okay, so we have here's what it is. Entry into material definitive agreement. On November 7th, entered into exchange agreement, blah, blah, blah. And what they did, now this happened on November 7th, but they didn't announce it until the 18th of January. They got rid of a shit ton of debt. Look at this, okay, by converting it to, preferred shares. So let's look at this chart. Now, you got the alert before, okay? So in the first 5 minutes, let's look at a 1 minute chart here. We're not going to see that past date. So you could have got in here at 6, maybe 7. But if you were early, you could have got shares right here. As soon as the market opened, you could have put your order in early. And then, she blew up. She was actually at 8 for a while, between 7 and 8. But like I said, early birds got in, the guys that had got the alert. And look at this, she just blew up to where here's a high of 15 up here. So this is an example of, an 8K Spy. What 8K Spy does is it parses, in real time it looks at the SEC site, and whenever an 8K gets filed, 8K Spy uses AI, or actually reads the 8K, and if there's any significant phrases, there's about 80 of them that it looks for, then it sends out an alert immediately. It takes about 38 seconds. So anyway, I thought I'd show you that, and just an example of 8K Spy alerts and how powerful they are. Alright guys, have a good rest of the weekend, and thank you for watching. Oh, by the way, with an 8K Spy subscription, you get DDAmanda for free, so then you'll have all the tools you need. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on.